We got toast this morning. Hello, George. Chris, it's my birthday. How are we doing? How are we doing? Chris, it's nearly my birthday. I know it's coming round very. Yeah, you can run faster than me. Shall we do a selfie together? You're going to smile for the camera. Can you smile to the camera? Quick, be my friend. You're right with your friend. So Midnight's enjoying with our other sheep, some fresh grass. Oh, Chris, I'm going for a run. Woo! Taz is excited. Don't jump up there. Don't go up there. Too late, Chris. I'm up there. So, Claire, I see you've got the little ducklings out there. They've been for their swim.
They have. Yes, they look a little wet.
It's my long-lost glasses.
With one lens missing.
Chris, I love you.